How to edit a video on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to post on Facebook. Select the video you want and then tap on Next below. Now, go to the top left corner of the video and tap on Edit. You can now edit the video as you like using the edit options on the right. Tap on the text icon to add any text over the video. Then, you can also add music to the video by tapping on the audio icon. Or you can also add voiceover instead. If you want, you can even change the font style, color, and alignment of the text you added. Once you're done editing, tap on Next below. Here, you can manage the post settings such as post audience. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily edit a video on Facebook.